The things Utirelo was doing to Vuyokazi while she was still the second girlfriend, it is now done to her by the second girlfriend, Yakampumelelo Amanhle. Guys, they always say when you are still a side chick, respect Umamkhulu, guys, respect the main chick, because the day we promote you to become the main chick, Uzokala, guys, Utirelo, she's going through a lot. Ugele agaposte. So this is what the lady posted on her Instagram account. Before we get to start off today, know the rules of the house. Samana Pesa Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. So guys, we all know that Umpumelelo and Tirelo, obviously Utirelo, she's older than Umpumelelo. So Ogele posted this on her Instagram account. I'm at 2000. I wonder uyitefela kanjani indoda ube umdala kunaye qha niyayenza into yenu. And people were like, are you saying Tirelo? Because we know that Utirelo, she's older than Umpumelelo. For those who don't know, Utirelo, she was born in 2000, Umpumelelo was born in 2001. Obviously, Utirelo, she's older than Umpumelelo. Today again, Umpumelelo finally introduced Amahle to the public. So guys, Umpumelelo posted this picture, as you can see, with the caption, "Hayi bafana bakithi seningakusho enifuna ukusho ngasho ngathi niyoza nithi bhuti." Guys, Umpumelelo has finally introduced his new girlfriend. He did tag Amahle, guys, and people are saying ukuthi hayi ugele uyafana noVuyokazi. Some people are saying ukuthi Spindi, you'll end up aging alone. These ladies, they will come and go. Ayikho nje lento, guys. And Umpumelelo reply uthi nithi ama come and go njengakamask yini. So people are saying a lot of stuff. Some are saying ukuthi hi man, it seems like ugele, she's just here for season 3 as ngane this time. But some are saying what they don't see a relationship no Tirelo, guys. Do you still remember when Umpumelelo introduced uNosipho, guys, the graduate? Utirelo did go to the comment section and comment and say welcome baby girl. They did had a conversation, Yana, guys, I still remember. But so when it comes to this one, Utirelo, she has not said anything. Even on the comment section, she's not there, unlike Nosipho, guys. I guess this one, she's the real one, guys. She's here to stay. So it is what it is, guys. Being the momcall of Mujola, it's so painful, guys, because you have to accept anything. Girl, she's here, guys, and girl now we are on Instagram like Utirelo, guys. So Utirelo just finally met her match. So it is what it is. So anyway, guys, let's engage in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you, guys.